Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is the diameter of the circumcircle of a rectangle is 5 cm and rectangle's width is 3 cm. Find the length of rectangle. Here we have given that circumcircle of a rectangle means diameter of a circumcircle of a rectangle is 5 cm. Suppose this is the rectangle ABCD. ABCD. B, C and D. This is the diameter, suppose, which is 5 cm, and AB is the width, which is 3 cm. Now, as it is a rectangle, so in a right angled triangle, ABC, by Pythagoras theorem, AC square will be AB square plus BC square. So BC square will be AC square minus AB square. So BC will be under root AC square minus AB square. Now AC is given as here 5 square, means 5, minus AB is 3, so it is 3 square. That is 25 minus 9 means root 16, so it is 4 cm. Hence, length of the rectangle is 4 cm. So our correct option is option C.